is released, social media explodes. Sharing guesses and sometimes spreading misinformation. End up more confused than informed, and frustration grows. Green card, you know exactly what I mean. That confusion. Official data, historical trends that have proven reliable, and the latest Visa Bulletin movements. Things stand. What to realistically expect in the coming months? Prepare yourself so that when your moment comes, you're ready and confident. To Info Basement and turn on notifications. Change constantly, and you want to be among the first to know when critical updates drop. Don't fully appreciate, but which explains almost everything about how priority dates move throughout the year. Calendar year most of us think about, which begins on October 1st and runs through September 30th. Why does this matter to you? The actual allocations that determine whether priority dates move forward or stay frozen are distributed and managed within this fiscal year framework. Similarly, October, November, and December represent a golden window. Available after the reset, giving both the Department of State and USCIS more flexibility to advance priority dates. Data, there's a clear pattern. The most meaningful advancements, especially in employment-based categories, tend to happen during these early fiscal year months. Are critical. Cards, which many of you follow closely. Forward movement could freeze for months. Nothing would move. Feel stuck, and long-term planning became nearly impossible. Steady progress, and that is a positive sign. Major role here. Often shows more forward movement compared to the summer months, when visa numbers start running low. Filing chart. This allows you to submit your adjustment of status applications even before your final action dates are current. And travel benefits, improving your life while the final green card may still be months or even years away. EB1 category, often called the gold standard of employment-based immigration. Extraordinary ability in sciences, arts, education, business, or athletics. Outstanding professors and researchers, and multinational executives or managers. Which means eligible applicants can move forward immediately without waiting. Forward movement of 1 to 3 months, while India's EB1 is expected to remain largely stable. Sign, especially compared to previous years of backlog and retrogression. Stability provides something rare in the immigration process: predictability and peace of mind. Professionals with advanced degrees or exceptional ability in sciences, arts, or business. Utilized employment-based pathways, and the demand is very high. India's EB2 is particularly challenging. From previous years mean that movement is slow, sometimes only 1 to 3 months, or even no movement in some months. And for most other countries, forward movement of 2 to 6 months is often seen in early fiscal year months. The situation is different, and patience combined with strategic preparation is essential. The moment your date becomes current. Religious worker visa has been extended. Temples and charitable organizations to continue hiring international personnel. Crucial, as it gives both organizations and applicants time to plan properly, prepare documentation, and maintain compliance without unnecessary stress. Maximize your chances. First, check your priority dates every month. Your date becomes current. Advance, medical exams, affidavit of support, birth and marriage certificates, police clearances, educational and employment records. Last-minute complications. Third, use trend tools to monitor historical visa bulletin movements. And plan your next steps effectively. Immigration attorney for guidance, particularly in complex or high-stakes cases. Ensure that when your priority date becomes current, you can act quickly, confidently, and correctly. Most categories are showing steady forward movement, with no major signs of retrogression. Relying on official sources remain your most important tools. In the comments to build a supportive community, but stick to facts and personal experiences, not speculation. Updates and remaining patient dramatically improve your chances of navigating the U.S. immigration process successfully. Share and subscribe to InfoBasement for more accurate and up-to-date Visa Bulletin news and immigration updates. Keep moving forward toward your American dream.